Good morning, guys. Andito kami sa taas. Roxy, come. Misty's right here. Oh, Dimples is coming. Anyway, so I plan to take them to shower these animals. Isa-shower ko sila. But before that, kinuha ko itong mga rug dito para hindi mabasa. Alam niyo na, aso. Ay, ba't basa ito? Basa, oh, it's cold. Okay. And I put this inside. This is dog shampoo. I don't know if I showed you this before. This one is tairless shampoo and this one is not tairless. This one is like puppy shampoo. Oh, this one is the one get rid of the ticks, flea. And this one, it smells so good. That's why I have, as you can see, it's almost finished. I need to get more of this. And yeah, good morning. Today is, what is today? Today is Saturday, and it's been a while that I haven't take my dog to shower, and I have to change the shirt because I'm gonna get wet because the dog will take a shower. But before that, I'm going to put the shower down kasi isa-shower ko sila. No freaking out now. You didn't show because you're not stinky. But you need you to show that your body is clean, okay? Okay, see. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching my show. I love you so much. I love this dog. I love this dog so much. I love this dog so much. I don't know, guys. I love her so much. So after this one, Misty is fine because Misty is really behaved well. Misty is really strong, guys. When it comes to do like this, she is very strong. She is very small, but her body, guys, is really muscly. Her muscle is intact, and then when she try to do like this, she's really strong. Compared to this one, she's kind of like a slimy dog. Paliguan ko muna sila bago ako maligo kasi I wanna enjoy to the tub. I wanna use my tub downstairs later on. But before that, I'm gonna take care of them and then me. No, I can't. Inside, okay? Give a show, okay? No, show. Show, Roxy. I said no. I said behave. Sit down. Sit. No. Sit down. I'm afraid of everything. Don't sumag my bajay, Jay. Okay, you can stand up. It's okay. I don't care about it much. Be a good girl. Be careful. Don't lean on the thing. No, you stay there. Stay. We're not done. You're still wet. Okay, come on. Come. No, you cannot go out over there. You know why? Because it's a carpet. Okay, you can shake your body. Shake your booty. Okay, you can shake. Oh my goodness. Shake it. Hello. She's dry, guys. It's a little bit of wetty, but she's dry. I need to clean this bathroom really bad. Na-dry na ang akong baby, no? Oy, na-dry naman na baby, no? Are you feeling fresh now? Are you fresh? Oh, my baby's fresh. She's so fluffy after shower, guys. Are you ready to go down? Oh, she's dry already. Are you ready to go down, Rox? Hey, are you ready to go down? Huh? Are you ready? Oh, you ready? And then I will give you some bonsai later, okay? Do you want me to give you some bonsai? Okay, now. My lioness. My lion. I wish a lion, but look at it. I don't have a lion, I have a dog. But I call her Lioness. Hi, Lioness. Done showering, baby? Are you done? Look at that face. You wet face. Miss this next. I will be right back. Clean, clean dog. So now it's time for me to clean the bathroom upstairs. And then I'm wet. Before ako mag-shower, mag-ano muna ako doon sa anong tawag nito? Sa bathroom doon sa dito sa baba sa may kwarto sa matanda. I noticed about this camera, guys, that the focus is kind of like it's out of whack. Out of whack. Dimple, that's my spot. I'm gonna sit on you. Only kid, I'm gonna sit on you. Hey guys, 5:30 na ng hapon katapos ko lang i-edit. I've been editing video. You're gonna knock over mama's camera, baby. That's not right, baby. That's not right. You're gonna buy me another camera if you're gonna knock this down and broke it. Or do you wanna do that? Judas Budasa. What do you want to do? Is you gonna that siya? Is that the one that will be to go out this watch it? Do you wanna go do it? Do you wanna go do it? Do you wanna go do so 13, 14, 15? Anyway, so nagbe-blink na to guys. So i-charge ko lang. Anyway, so late na. And no, it's not late. It's, you know, it's 5:30 na ng hapon. No, gabi na, gabi. Dark na sa labas. So, cleaning the house. And it took me the whole day. Actually, I was finished cleaning the whole house like, I think 2 o'clock from, you know, from early in the morning. And then I'm cleaning the whole bathroom, her bathroom. I was thinking of taking this off. I'm gonna get rid of it, and I fold it. I'm going to fold it, and then I will put it if I need it, you know. That's my thing. I'm gonna take it off and then put it back when I need it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys. Good night guys. I'm sorry today's video guys is not really that much, but pasalamat ako sa inyo guys ha, sa pagsuporta at andito kayo nanonood. Sa nanonood, hi, blink blink blink. Hi guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys, good night.